have scoured the depths of the internet and my brain to find the cutest, most fun, unique gift ideas that you can sew or crochet for your friends and family. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get right into it. I lied. I do have a disclaimer before we start, and I say this with love, okay? But not everybody wants your homemade gift, okay? Some people do not give a damn that you sew. It's the truth. It's the truth. I know, it hurts, but it's true. So I would suggest that when you're thinking of gift ideas for these special people, just really think about the person and what they would actually like or need or use in their everyday lives and go from there. Because not everybody wants bowl covers, okay? I'm just saying. But I think if you're able to find a really good idea and you can make it yourself, that's when it gets magical. So hopefully this video can give you some ideas. Let's get into it. The first gift idea that you can sew or crochet would be mirror covers. There are a lot of different ways you can go about this. You could make a small mirror for like their table or a big one. I feel like girls would really like this one, and maybe some stylish guys too. I just think it's really fun and unique. For the puffed one specifically, it kind of looks like they made a tube, like sort of how you would make a scrunchie, but instead of adding elastic, they stuffed it and then closed it up and added the bow and then attached that onto the mirror. How they attached it, I'm not sure. I don't know if they literally like glued it onto the mirror or like sewed it in a way that they could insert the mirror inside. I'm not sure. If you know how, let us know in the comments. Okay, so this leads me into gift number 2. You could do cute plant pot covers. I found so many different styles. I think this would be great for anyone in your life that likes plants or they want to decorate their space. Maybe they're in a dorm. This is a great crochet project as well. So many cute ways to crochet a plant pot cover. I think this is a very easy beginner sewer friendly project. I have linked a tutorial below. Okay, so switching gears a bit, gift number 3 is the water bottle sling. I think this is awesome for lots of different people in your life. Maybe they have a dog and they're walking a lot, or they're just sort of on the go. I really like the ones where it holds your water bottle, but there's also a pocket for your phone or other things. Because, you know, sometimes our hands get full and we don't have places to put things. This is super cute and sleek. I think this would be great for men too, and this would be a great upcycling project. So yeah, super cute. Gift number 4 would be bags, but not just any bags. Specifically for the kids in your life, I think these animated drawstring bags are so fun. They will be the coolest kid in the playground or the mall or wherever they hang out. These are adorable. I think for the women in your life, these tote bags with the huge bow on the top would be so cute, and they're very, very simple to make. Fanny packs for both men and women in your life. Big slouchy bags. I recently made this patchwork handbag, which was so cute, and I think people would love that type of stuff. So you just made your niece and nephew some cool drawstring bags. Now you need something to go inside of it. Gift number 5 would be pencil cases and pouches, but not just any pencil case and pouch. I found these fish pencil cases, and when you open it up, it's like its mouth opens up. I think that's really, really funny, and I found tutorials for those as well. I also found a tutorial for a ladybug pouch, which was so adorable. Again, very easy to make. I'm sure you've seen it before. These adorable pouches, whatever color style you want. This is great. It's so versatile. Put makeup in it, pens in it, I don't know. Anything that you want. I think these are really, really quite nice. I think this is gift idea number 6, and that would be book covers. I found a girl on YouTube that crocheted a book cover, and it was so cute. This is a gift idea that you could crochet, you could sew, or you could just DIY and glue things on. If you have someone in your life that is a journaler, has an agenda, has a favorite book, maybe they read the Bible, things like that, you can make them a wonderful book cover, book sleeve, I guess. You could add pockets to add your pens or your notepads. I have a bullet journal and I buy the same one all the time, so having a little cover for it would be awesome. You could even do this with a photo album. You could buy the photo album, make the cover for it, and then add pictures. This is also great for beginners as well. It's not very complicated, and there is a tutorial linked below. The next gift idea that you could sew or crochet would be floor pillows or pillows in general. I like the idea of a floor pillow. If you know someone that sits on their floor a lot, I'm sitting on my floor right now. They sit on the ground, they do their makeup, they do their hair, they do whatever the heck. And I think a fun little pillow would be cute. You could alter it a bit and then make a little cat bed or dog bed. You could also do pillows in general, but not just any pillow. You could add lace around, you could add big bows on the side. If you have a man in your life, maybe you can make it like the shape of a controller or something. Let's say you have new parents and they have a bunch of baby clothes. You could turn those baby clothes into a big blanket. You could do that with pillows as well and make it very sentimental to your recipient. I found a really cool tutorial on how to make like a giant flower pillow. Along with the pillows, you can make eye masks. You can make it out of like silk or satin and make a silk or satin pillowcase to go with it. You can embroider something on the front and make it really personalized to them. So the next item, I don't know which number we're on right now, but this would be fun little games. Specifically, I found these really cute Tic Tac Toe games that you can sew. You could sew little hearts and circles or little bean bags with X's and O's on them. This can also be something that they can travel with because you can make a little drawstring bag to put all the pieces in. Super cute for someone maybe that has their own place or they just like games and they like to bring stuff with them. This I think is very, very fun. Okay, I'm not sure what number this is. I'm gonna guess 9. This would be little boxers. There are a bunch of patterns that you can find online for PJ shorts. Okay, next gift idea would be coasters and table mats. You can make these cute little coasters and maybe get them a nice mug to go with it. You could do tea, little cozies as well, and get them like a cute little teapot. Or to crochet, I've seen these really nice flower coasters, heart coasters. Along with this sort of kitchen vibe, you could of course do oven mitts. The oven mitts scare me a little bit because obviously you need to make sure that they can withstand hot temperatures. So I would say do your research before. But if you can find out how to make it properly, I think those would be really cute and you can make it in a very nice fabric that matches their vibe. Okay, so the next thing would be phone accessories. You could get them like a really long charger and make the cover for the charger. Sort of again like how you would make a scrunchie, but instead of the elastic, you would put the charger through and you could tie the end with like a little bow. You could even like just wrap the cord with the fuzzy yarn, I guess. I found this phone case with a giant flower on it. You would just make the fabric flower and then maybe attach like the pushy button to it and then glue or attach that button onto a phone case so they could take it on and off. Or you could just glue the fabric flower onto the phone case. Phone holders that you can put on a doorknob or put over your charger and it'll hold the phone and has pockets as well. The next would be a hanging card charm or even just charms in general. You can make, again, whatever shape that you want. A little, I keep saying hearts and flowers, but that's all I can think of right now, but anything, and you could embroider it and they can hang it on their car, on their rear view mirror. You can make it like a keychain and they can attach it to things. Very fun, very cute. Of course, you could do little teddy bears. This could be great for the kids in your life or even the older people in your life too. You can make two, you and the other person. The last gift would be the fabric alphabet for the little kids in your life learning their A, B's, and C's. You can make all the letters out of fabric and then they can use it and learn to read. So those were all of my gift ideas that you can sew this holiday season. I think they're very unique and fun. If any of my friends and family are watching this and there's anything that you like, please let me know. I will make it for you. These ideas I think would be great to sell as well if you're a small business, an Etsy shop owner. Any YouTube tutorial or pattern that I can find, I will link below. My name is Brandy, by the way. So I also make videos on my small clothing brand, The Behind the Scenes. So check that out if you're interested. Like and subscribe if you liked this video. Maybe comment down below if you're gonna be making any of these things. I really wanna make a lot of these things. I really, really want to. So I really hope that you got some ideas or some takeaways from this video. I really enjoyed looking for everything. There were so many cool things. Have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.